Is a brown girl in the ring. Cha la 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 la, brown girl in the ring. Cha la 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 la. She looks like Queen Lady Gangster. Pam pam. God say yes, God we bless it. Sandy and Bones TV. Tune into Sandy and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sandy and Bones TV crazy, never lazy. The Queen is here. Then you show me emotion. TikTokers, sha la 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 la. Then you show me emotion. Sha la 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 la. Show me emotion. Hello. Bless up, madam. Yes, man. Good energy. Say, oi. Hello, darling. Girl power. Blessed love. Then you show me emotion. Cha la 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 la. Then you show me emotion. Cha la la la. See that? See that? I'm glad it's a God. Say yes, God. I'm blessed. My at, you know, my at plus tax. R.I.P. RoRo. 2 years this Friday since I passed away. My daughter. You know, we're all sad as a God. But we still have to celebrate your life, RoRo. That's this Friday. And I'm going to release my pain song, RoRo. Pain. Pain. Life is pain. Been through pain all of my life. The day is bright, still fall night. Life is a fight, but me still touch right. Long live Queenie, which is right. Life is a lesson every day in teach. If you never feel pain, where your feet. But day I'm still a do it. Come on, right crazies. Please subscribe to my Vivo to see my new release. This Friday the 6th of October 2020. Treat my lucky now. Now that me get into the TikTok game, it intrigued me. I get the little donut them for sure tomorrow. So you wanna play with me, Bobby? I forget two more somebody for me secure my donut them. You can get two more, baby.
It's okay.
I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Guys, thank you for joining.
Oh God, I'm nervous.
You're welcome. Let's go. Yes, I understand.
Denise, Kimmy,
Kitty.
Samden, Denise Saji.
Take care, I
Oh my
understand.
God,
Sheldon, thank you.
I can't believe wait there.
Thank you, Sheldon, for the roses.
No, some love Christ, sir. Jesus Christ, Queenie, shut up.
You're welcome. Taurus, thank you.
Wait there, I can't play with her again. What is wrong with me, man?
Guys, let's go.
You know, some of my brains now work.
Let's have some roses.
Oh
You're
God,
welcome.
I'm so stupid. I feel full.
Melissa, you're welcome. Nicole. You're welcome.
I get too excited. I shouldn't press off
It's
at the
fine.
man.
It's fine.
To God be the glory.
Yeah, to God be the glory. She's so emotional. Guys, let's go. Yes, yes. Someone told me that tomorrow is
I get emotional. I can't play the game. I get big.
Guys, let's go. Kiki, thought the same. Guys, let's go.
Bobby,
Guys.
I'm so
Yes,
sorry. I don't know how I put you back in the game again because to me they are crying and make nice, but not concentrate.
I understand. It's fine.
Listen, right, crazies. At
Just
time
take
now,
it easy.
2 years ago, my daughter passed away. The time
Hi,
now.
Denise. It's okay. Just
Our
take it
time now,
easy.
10 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, no, 11. And at the second now,
Just have some roses. Hi, please don't send her anymore.
Eh?
She's trying to
My
protect.
guys?
Yeah, Denise, I understand. I understand.
Yeah, from after school when we are
Yeah, I understand, Taurus. I know.
I just spend an hour there, you know.
Okay, I'll go after this one. Thanks for the roses, guys.
My God, me still there, same rank 48, me there. No, but through that game I never did for play, me not even notice it, car. Me not interested in the game.
Yeah, have a great night too, Rose.
Me no want to lose my donut them, so me vex one more time again. Me there chat and press off about the match before me tell the girl get somebody else. Stupid, eh?
Guys, hit the thing for me.
Times 3. Watch out. May I get money gun. Tank on the right credits. Tank on the. God no. Right credits. On Africa teamwork, me, you know. Please and thanks. Honestly says a genuine mistake happened twice.
Let's go, guys.
So on the door send the big gift them and then when they snipe.
Keep tapping the screen.
It really mean a lot to me. Real even when a real donut. Don't want to lose yourself.
Yes, I understand. Ima, she wants you to get 2 more players so she won't lose her nugget. Sheldon, thank you for the roses.
Drop. And I drop the gift them now. What's up? What's my drop? What that mean? Bobby, I don't know. When me I play the match, I'm here. I said, "Don't let Queenie win. Let Queenie win." That's something I would do. So
yeah, because your fans actually came to my live to tell me that you want to keep your nuggets for the anniversary. So I'm like, oh, okay, Queenie has to win. You know?
Tell you that.
Yeah, you have good fans. You know, they love you. So. They love you. So they came here telling me, you cannot win. Let her win. Let her win. She's keeping her nuggets. I'm like, okay. I'm like, okay, let her win. Guys, that's your screen for me.
Oh God, we can't even see people have to tell them thanks. Bobby, get 2 more somebody and beat me for all night. Me no mind. Get 2 more somebody for play. Let her give you back a chance now. Cause don't let them secure. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cause if I play with 4, them can't take on my donut. My fans them tell us if I win. Oh God, Rick.
Another big win. Another big win. You guys are amazing. Oh, thank you.
Bobby, you are amazing. And your people them over there, them could have gone override that. And I appreciate them because them do over that to me.
Yeah. You are a nice person too. That's why you have lots of supporters. And they love you.
Oh, Bobby, get 2 more somebody. I want to give you a run, okay?
Okay, let me add 2 more persons.
Hello?
I think I have to first leave the match. Then I add 2 more people.
Bobby, top class.